do to name a project, I name it Circle Clicker because the plan of the project is just to have a circle, and each time we click, we get 1 point, and we want to try getting as many points as we can before our timer runs out. You got that? Good. All right, so we're just gonna quickly make our circle sprite. I'm just gonna make a circle, bam, and we're just gonna quickly set some setting things so that way when the flag's clicked, we have some setting operations. So when the flag's clicked, go to x0 y0. We're gonna make a new variable. We're gonna call it points. Which will every time we click it, will change the point by 1. So we're gonna set it to 0 to start, and we also want to show our circle. So now that we got that, we're gonna make so when this is clicked, we want to change our points by 1. You got that? All right, let's test it. Oh wait, I almost forgot. We want to make, since we want this to be actually be a little challenging, we're just gonna make our thing go to a random position after we change it by 1. Yep. All right. So once we do that, it just does that. All right. So this is good. We've basically got an entire game, but it gets boring after a while. So to add some pizzazz, we're gonna actually make a little timer. So let's make a new variable. We're just gonna call it timer. Let's actually show these two variables. Got to do that. And when the flag is clicked, we want to send a message. This message just tells the timer to do some stuff. So now we're gonna make a timer. So when I receive message 1, I'm gonna repeat something, and we're gonna repeat a script. So we're gonna set our timer to 30, as in 30 seconds, and we're gonna repeat this script until our timer is equal to 0. For which we'll do the code after that. Timer equals 0. So now once we do that, we're gonna make it so that way we're gonna change your timer by -1, which just subtracts 1 from the timer, and then we're gonna wait 1 second. So what the computer does is just takes our timer, minuses it by 1, waits a second before doing it again, and we're just gonna keep on doing that until timer equals 0. So let's actually test this. 29, 28, 27, 26. That's so that way it doesn't look like it automatically starts at 28. Just switch the wait block and the rock, and voila, 30, 29, 28. Okay, that works. Also, it resets. Yep, resets. All right. So once we do this, now that we have that, we're gonna actually make an ending condition for our circle. So after this, we're gonna make it so that way I actually want to hide our points variable and then show it. So we're gonna show our points variable, and we're gonna hide at the start of the thing. So hide variable points at the green flag. So once we do that, we're gonna actually move the points variable here. Large readout. Why not? Move the timer up here. So once we do that, we're just gonna make it so we hide our circle. We're gonna broadcast, and we're gonna actually change our backdrop, not broadcast anything. All right, so let's go to our backdrop. So we're just gonna make a quick game over screen, which I already have here. So once we do that, we're gonna go back to our sprite, and we're gonna change our switch backdrop to backdrop 2, which is the name of my game over sprite. And when the flag is clicked, we're just gonna quickly set our backdrop to backdrop 1. And I think that's basically the entire game. Yep, so I'm gonna actually test it. This is kind of addicting if you want to try getting a pretty high score. Yeah, so the last 30-ish seconds of this is just gameplay. You can optimize some stuff, like make a little zone for where our circle is spawning. I have 6 seconds left. And game over. Our score is 42. So that's basically the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more. Alright, bye.